Hey guys, so recently I needed to get some new spatulas and I came across these from Bundle Pro. Now, this is my first time opening it, so I'm super excited to show you guys what's inside. So it's pretty easy to do from the top. You can just open the top just like this and we can slide them out. Now, they are packaged in with their plastic wrap here, so we can just slide them out just like this. They have already I can feel they have nice sort of rubber grip, just like that. So this is what they look like. Now already my first impressions are that these rubber feel is absolutely amazing. You can see that it is high quality and sort of holds its shape, which I absolutely love. It's got the stainless steel bar in the center and the rubber handle, which really protects from heat when using on a hot surface such as your pan. Now, one of the cool things is you might be wondering why the difference between the slotted and unslotted. For those of you who don't know, this is perfect for using when you want to leave behind, say, butter or oil, such as on like bacon or hamburgers. If you're just wanting to get in and flip those, this is the perfect one for that. Whereas if you want to flip pancakes and want to keep everything in place, this one is the perfect solution for that. So overall, I just really love the non-stick feel of these. They are silicone and they feel really nice. They've even got these sort of rubber tips here if you want to hang them up, which is awesome, or they can just be placed in with all the other utensils. So they're completely dishwasher safe, so you don't have to worry about them. And if you need a pair of high quality spatulas, I would definitely check these out. You will not be disappointed.